Nature. We see its beauty equally in wild and untamed forests, and in the carefully managed fairways, fields, and lawns we encounter playing golf, riding horseback, or just going about our business. To create this man-made beauty takes a great deal of time, effort, and money. Preparing the soil, grading and removing the stone calls for a special kind of machine. It calls for the Barber Turf Rake. The turf rake is a unique, multi-use stone picker manufactured by H. Barber & Sons. Barber, a dynamic 30-year-old Connecticut business, is recognized worldwide as an industry leader.
Pioneers in cleaning technology, Barber developed a unique raking process. Patented on 5 points, Barber's process lifts stones and debris, not the soil.
A number of characteristics make the Barber Turf Rake appealing to landscape architects and construction companies, as well as recreation and maintenance authorities everywhere. To begin, Turf Rake is safe. The operator rides a tractor away from the working equipment and from the noise of the work area. Tight 180-degree turns are negotiated with ease.
A low profile, low center of gravity, wide frame, and an enclosed conveyor. Large flotation design tires. All these make turf rakes stable and safe. Turf Rake's mold board rides over large, hidden or buried rock and ledge with no resulting damage to the turf rake. And a hydraulic overflow engages and resets automatically, protecting against jamming damage from oversized objects or tangles.
Turf Rake is versatile too, operating on sloped or uneven terrain, and removing stone, thatch, and litter from playing fields for overseeding and beautification. In fact, Turf Rake is so versatile that it aerates, grades, and cleans stone away in one pass, tasks that often take several machines and up to 3 passes.
With a cleaning depth up to 4 inches, the turf rake also removes roots, sod, and 2x4s as large as 4 feet long, picks up stones as large as 4 inches and as small as 1/2 inch.
Turf Rake keeps working. It's reliable and durable year in and year out, with a life expectancy up to 15 years, with a reputation for little or no downtime and easy maintenance on site.
Chrome molybdenum alloy bars, aircraft quality hardware plated with chrome and nickel, and titanium alloy fasteners. A Corten steel mold board, special steel alloy raking tines, and an enclosed conveyor and sealed bearings that keep stone and debris out of moving parts.
Turf Rake is fast, more thorough than hand raking, and many times more efficient and economical. Raking at speeds up to 9 miles per hour, even in roughly graded topsoil, the largest turf rake model leaves in its path as much as 3 acres of prepared soil every hour. The turf rake also saves time and money by removing stones in one pass. No windrows for later removal as with some machines. And because it cleans to within 3 inches of obstructions, there's minimal hand finishing required.
The tines on Barber's Model 600 HD span a full 6-foot wide path from edge to edge. Standard wing additions expand the cutting path to 7 feet.
turf rake is so easy to use that anyone who can drive a tractor can operate a turf rake stone picker. Hookup is quick and simple, attaches to any standard tractor in just seconds. Now the turf rake is ready to go, ready to tackle the toughest job with ease.
Here's how the turf rake works. The process begins as the mold board grades uneven areas of soil. Then hundreds of spring tines, mounted in offset rows, rake through the soil each second. Leaving the soil in place, the tines pick up stones and debris and, using built-up potential energy, hurl them at a deflector and onto a belt-covered, bar-flight conveyor. The conveyor then elevates and deposits the stones and debris in a rear-mounted hopper for later removal. And then, the tines return to rake again.
Turf rake's tines rake deeply to pick up stones, roots, and other debris. On the top-of-the-line Turf Rake 600 HD, a generous 1 1/2 cubic yard hopper can hold up to 3,700 pounds of stones and debris and can be raised to a clearance height of 9 feet before being emptied hydraulically. As an industry leader, H. Barber & Sons is committed to simplifying site preparation and making that job a cost-efficient one. The turf rake is the end product of that commitment. It is the result of years of research and development and of continuing field trials under the most severe conditions. That research and those trials have enabled Barber to create a stone picker that is unequaled and to provide unparalleled customer service and support. In addition, H. Barber & Sons supplies replacement parts made from the highest quality materials. Continuing this technological development keeps Turf Rake a leading stone picker. For efficient, thorough, and safe cleaning equipment, the names Barber and Turf Rake define outstanding quality and exceptional performance.